Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your TCL 605 is in the lost database on the IMEI.info page. Alright, so first we need to type the IMEI number of our TCL. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all checking options of this site, and I'm also showing how to find the IMEI number on your TCL. So if you want, you can look for it. Once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, Check IMEI. Now we have our TCL, as you can see. Now scroll down a little bit more until you find the basic checks. Now click on Lost Device Check. Type the IMEI number of your TCL. You can always type the second one and serial number if you have. It's not necessary, but you can always do it. And now click on Check Lost/Stolen Status. And now, as you can see, our device is reported on the IMEI.info lost/stolen database. In here we can see some information, also the description of the loss, the city where it happened, the price if someone will find it, also the contact name, phone number, is it verified, verification date, is it reported, and the date on which it was created. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.